gas, tank, chemical, LPG, LNG, crew to embark. The Italian flag really has a huge opportunity around Europe. 77 units, 22 is Roros cargo, and then 55 is passenger ships. Candina is working now within the fleet of Roros, so we don't need any passenger certificates. Therefore, AB 3,100 euros EU net plus social security. If you were sailing now to the Gulf, to Asia, and you think that security is important and you are an AB, this is a huge opportunity for you. Also, we need electricians, and they must have experience, Roros experience, like 1 year, please. If you don't have experience and you want to jump to this Roros fleet, as always, is 2,200 euros, and then you will promote on board, or junior officers, 3,300, 3,400. As you know, we have this European Italian flag social security. Is really huge opportunity for women now, and also huge opportunity because 2 years on board you get 2 years unemployment, then you have 20 years the pension, sanitary assistance, and all the benefits of the Italian social security. Apply urgently because this war is a huge opportunity for you to promote. Thank you very much. Bye.